If I were to say kebab roti and give you the plate that I made there, at the end of the day, it is a kebab roti, but it's...
Elevated.
So make sure it's worth it.
Sure. Absolutely sure.
To be very honest, right that second, I just panicked. I was kind of contesting between whether I should do that or I should do something else. Maybe I want to do a different take on things.
यार ये क्या कुकर है?
Ladies, you have 30 minutes left. It's comeback week and we can't wait to see what you've got in store for us.
Let's go! I think giving them an open pantry somewhat confused them. I think Anahata was right.
Yeah.
Just seeing too much,
Yes.
your game plan changed, and suddenly you realize you're not making what you wanted to make.
Yes.
It's half time, and you really can go back.
Right.
So I think that's caused quite a stir.
I just hope we don't see mayhem on a plate.
Yes. Fingers
Fingers
crossed.
crossed.
30 minutes में तो नहीं होने वाला.
It got quite hectic, it got quite panicky.
This is easily the most nervous, yet the most confident I've been. I just hope that panic doesn't get the best of me and I'm able to put out the dish that I've thought of in my head.
I was stressing because I wanted to finish up in time. My mom and my dad did tell me, whatever you do, don't get excited, don't get panicked, just keep calm and do what you have to do. So that's what I did.
I made lachha paratha for the first time. So I knew the technique and I had seen it happening a lot. I did not even know that if those little lachha parathas would come out fine, because I was thinking, should I make a big one and then cut it? But then I thought, okay, everything that I've cooked on this show, the recipe, the flavors, I have played around with them. Even that korma, I added some ingredients in it which are not a part of korma.
Just soaking the rice. While this is being done, I'm going to marinate my fish.
When it comes to mustard fish, I have always made my mustard from scratch. And instead of just using mustard, I decided to use some poppy seed that adds the creaminess to the gravy, which balances out the bitterness of the mustard a little bit.
Girls, you've got only 15 minutes to put those thoughts together, to get that plate ready. Hope your execution is on point.
I do get flustered because time management is a challenge for me. Well, yes, that does happen. That panic moment, it does come.
I pushed through though, I got my keema done. I was really happy with my flavors on the keema.
Oh, I have to write the board as well. Oh God.
At that point, I just blanked out. I wasn't being able to multitask much. It was just time really got to me and panic really got to me.
Dude, we need more time.
Girls, last 5 minutes.
Honey, kहाँ है?
Okay, this is done. Turning this off. This is heating up. My chana is done.
Sita,
Yes,
you'll be able to make it in 5?
yes,
If you cannot, drop whatever you cannot,
yes.
right?
It's important for you, Ipsita, to be confident about whatever you have on the plate. Check the seasoning, see the color balance. This is the time to do it,
Yes.
right? Good luck.
Thank you.
Are you almost done?
Yes, we've only got 2 minutes and every element on your plate needs to be there.
Make sure all your garnishes are there.
And whatever you're confident about should be on the plate. Whatever you're not confident about shouldn't be on the plate. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Girls, you have last 1 minute, okay? Last 1 minute. Last 30 seconds. Last 10 seconds of the comeback week's first ignition task. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. All the girls get down from the truck, please.
I was very happy that I managed to complete all the elements that I wanted. The only minor thing that I could not put on the plate was a little bit of extra fish curry and the coriander chutney. That was absolutely crucial, but the gravy has a lot of flavor, so hopefully it would do justice to the amount of rice that's on the plate.
I couldn't do my salad element at all. I didn't have the time. So I was very, very upset about not being able to put that on the plate. I had half of it ready. I couldn't plate it.
Kiran, let me tell you one beauty about the competition. Sometimes you might think you've had a bad day, others have had worse. That is the beauty of competition. All right? Can we see smiles now? All right, girls, we don't know what's on the plate. We don't know what we're going to be tasting. But what we know is that you fought with a heart.
You tried your best, and that's what matters, you know, at the end of the day.
Good luck. We're looking forward to tasting.
Yes, very much.
So this is the comeback week, and my today's efforts are really important to me. I've tried to put my heart on the plate, and I've kept it very minimalistic, so let's see how it goes.
It's time for tasting. This is the comeback week. At the end of the tasting, one of you would have left Fem Foodies for sure and forever. And three of you would get an opportunity to play the game all over again for this week. Let's see who and how. Time for tasting.